Ever wondered how to keep track of your finances without a fuss or expensive software? Let's dive into the world of personal finance management, a crucial part of our daily lives. It's about making smart choices to secure your financial future. But it doesn't have to be complex or costly. Enter Google Sheets, an accessible free tool that turns the daunting task of finance management into a breeze. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Stay tuned to find out how Google Sheets can simplify your finance management. So, what exactly is Google Sheets and how can you access it? Picture this, a blank canvas that's not just a canvas, but a dynamic interactive platform where you can create, calculate, and collaborate. That's Google Sheets for you. A part of the Google Workspace, Google Sheets is a free, web-based application that allows you to create and edit spreadsheets online while collaborating with others in real time. One of its many features is its vast array of formulas, from simple arithmetic to complex data analysis. Plus, with its cloud-based nature, you can access and edit your sheets from any device, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. So how can you access it? Simply navigate to the Google Sheets website via your web browser or download the Google Sheets app on your mobile device. All you need is a Google account, and voila, you're in. Now that we know what Google Sheets is and how to access it, let's dive into how it works for managing personal finances. Ready to see how Google Sheets can become your personal finance manager? Let's dive right in. Imagine Google Sheets as a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your financial picture. Start by setting up a new sheet. It's as simple as clicking on File, then New, and finally Spreadsheet. Name it something that resonates with you, perhaps My Money Masterpiece. Now let's create two main sections, income and expenses. Each of these sections will have subsections. For income, you may have salary, investments, and other. For expenses, think rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, entertainment, and so forth. Remember, this is your canvas. Make it as detailed or as broad as you like. Next, we'll add in the amounts for each category. If you're paid bi-weekly, for instance, you'd enter your after-tax income for each pay period under salary. Similarly, jot down your expenses as they occur. Bought groceries, add it in. Paid the electricity bill, that goes in too. But what's the use of all these numbers if we don't do anything with them, right? That's where Google Sheets formula magic comes in. To calculate the total income, just select the cell where you want the total to appear, type in =sum, select the cells containing your income figures and press enter. Voila, you've got your total income. Repeat this for your expenses. Now, let's find out the balance. This is your income minus your expenses. Select a new cell, type =sum, then select the total income cell, select the total expenses cell and press enter. There you have it, your balance or the money you have left over after all expenses are paid. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even use Google Sheets to create charts and graphs for a visual representation of your finances. But we'll save that for another day. As you can see, managing your finances with Google Sheets is as easy as 1, 2, 3. But why should you choose Google Sheets for your personal finance management? Well, let's dive into the benefits that make it such a fantastic tool. Firstly, Google Sheets is incredibly accessible. Whether you're at home, at the office, or on the go, your financial data is always at your fingertips. All you need is an internet connection, and you can access your spreadsheets from any device, be it your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This means you can update your budget, track your expenses, or check your savings anytime, anywhere. Secondly, Google Sheets offers a level of customization that is hard to match. It allows you to tailor your financial spreadsheets to your personal needs. You can create dynamic budgets, set up automatic calculations, or even design dashboards to visualize your financial health. Plus, with the option to use a myriad of templates available online, getting started is as easy as pie. Lastly, Google Sheets stands out for its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. Its user-friendly interface makes managing your finances not just feasible, but also enjoyable. And if you ever get stuck, there's a vast online community ready to help you out. So, to sum up, Google Sheets offers accessibility, customization, and simplicity, three key features that can transform the way you manage your personal finances. With Google Sheets, managing your finances becomes a breeze, giving you more time to focus on the things that truly matter.